I am BC Misra, going to teach you today the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa Face. Gist of the lesson. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Everybody was discussing about the Hilsa fish. Gopal promised that he will stop the talking about the Hilsa fish. He half shaved himself and covered his body with ash. He reached the court and told the courtiers that he wanted to see the king. The courtiers did not allow him, so Gopal began to cry and dance. The matter was reported to the king. The king allowed Gopal to come in. Everybody was seeing towards Gopal in his strange face. Even the king was impressed with him and congratulated him. Now, difficult words with their meaning. Courtiers, people in court, believe, trust, discuss, talk, huge, wig, downcast, down with shame, guilty at fault, temper, mood, even also smearing, covering, disgrace, insult, insane, mad, comic, make, laugh, crazy, mad, soul, spirit, achieve, get, buy, purchase, majesty address to the king, enter, go inside, wonder, surprise, save, protect, stake, dare, cause, happen. Now questions with their answers. Why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa field? Answer. The king was very much fed up with the common talk about the Hilsa field. Next question. Why did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? Answer. The king asked Gopal to buy and bring a huge Hilsa to the palace without anyone asking him about. Next question. What three things did Gopal do before he went to buy the Hilsa fish? Answer. He shaved his face, smeared ash on his body, and put on rags before he went to buy Hilsa fish. Next question. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? Answer. Gopal began to dance and cry. The king heard the noise and asked the guard to bring Gopal before him. Next question. Explain why no one was interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Answer. Gopal's face and looks were quite peculiar, so no one bothered about the Hilsa fish he had brought in. Now, children, please do gist, difficult words, and these questions answers in your notebooks. This is very important.